Your sales are not in going door to door and telling people that we're already in the area and we ordered extra solar panels and gosh darn it, if you pick this up right now, it's at 75% off. That's gross, right? Figure out how to change somebody's life. And I don't mean to bag on door to door that much, but come on, guys. You have this.
Right.
Why are you sweating
Right.
through your shirt knocking on doors when you could go on LinkedIn and say, hey, Sean, my name's Matt Easton. I run the marketing company here at Aware. I'm in charge of all of our bakery clients. You and I are connected on LinkedIn. Hey, I've got an idea I'd love to get your opinion on. Could you give me a call on my mobile 720-660-3202? How long did it take me to leave that voicemail for you? I'll tell you, 21 seconds is the whole time to get that done. So in 21 seconds, the time it takes you to open the gate and walk around the corner, I just left a senior person at a bakery the most skillful voicemail about our advertising services ever, and most of them are going to call me back.